Hi, today I'm going to make Jacaranda flowers. Very easy to make and very pretty. Materials required are crepe paper in violet or mauve color, off-white, creamish color and green, thick wire, thin wire and green floral tape. All the measurements are in centimeters. This is of a stemnode. This is 5.5 by half a centimeter. Cut one piece in cream color. This is of the petal. This is 6 centimeters by 6.5 centimeters. The base is 1 centimeter. Cut one piece per flower. And these are strips for the leaflets. This is like 4 centimeters by 1.5, 6 centimeters by 1.5 and 8 centimeters by 2 centimeters. So the first one, just cut one piece for a leaf, and the second one you just need to cut about 2 or 4 pieces, and the rest 8 to 10 pieces. For the flower, first cut a piece of thin wire. This is about 10 centimeters long. Now take the strip in the cream color for the stem node, and then just cut very fine strips about half a centimeter long all along the width of this strip. And then just curl them so they look like this. Apply glue. Take the wire and just keep it in the center first. Fold over the paper and then just roll it between your fingers. So it will look like this. Now take the petal and just stretch it well. Apply glue on the base and on the back side, on one side. Take the stem node and just put it in the center, almost at the same height as the cuts. So just fold over and press the other side on this. Like so. You can use a pen or something to inflate it if it gets depressed. This is how it will look. Now take some green tape. Stretch it. And just wind it from the base of the flower till the end of the wire. Now take each of these petals and just sort of stretch it in different directions so that it gets a crimped look. And then just bend them out. Like this. Cut a slightly longer piece of thin wire. This is about 16 to 17 centimeters long. Now take a long piece of green floral tape stretch it and just attach all of these flowers on it, leaving about 2 to 3 centimeters of the stem for the flower. Start with one. You can make quite a few flowers just to cover up the stem. Like this, and then just open them out. Just bend them out a bit. Like this. So I've taken a 6 centimeter long strip for the leaf, and you can take about an 8 centimeter long wire for this. Now take the green tape . First I'll just cover the wire. Now take the strip and fold it in half lengthwise. First just cut a very thin shape, slightly curved, like this. And then about halfway of this length, just curve it a bit and cut about 1.25 centimeters wide strip like this at an angle, and then keep cutting strips like this. Just curve them and bring it back. Don't cut the entire thing, otherwise this leaf would separate. So just start from here, curve it and bring it back. Like this. Just open it up. This is what it looks like. Now just apply some glue in the center of the leaf. and stick this wire on it. This is what it looks like. So again, cut a long piece of wire, again about 16-17 centimeters long. Take the green floral tape, stretch it. So these are the different sizes of leaflets. The smallest, then 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters. So I'll start with the smallest first. Just hold it next to the wire. Then take the 6 centimeters. So this should come at the same height as this, almost. And then I'll attach these one by one. And these leaflets are opposite to each other on the stem. Just keep that in mind. Like this. So now I'll just open them. This is how the leaf would look. So now I'll just assemble them. So take the long piece of floral tape. Now take the flowers first and the thick wire. So just put the flowers on the wire. And you can attach more bunches if you like. Then, leaving a gap of about 2 inches or so, just attach the leaf. Like this. Bend the leaf out if you wish. And this is how the flower would look.